ng aking nadarama sa'yo. Oh, mahal ko, ikaw ang panaginip ko, papanaginip ko, papanaginip ko, panaginip ko, papanaginip ko, panaginip ko, papanaginip ko. Kaibigan naman ang natin ko sa'yo. Ilan ko ba sasabihin na higit pa sa kaibigan sa'yo'y nararamdaman? Pinipigilan ng katorpehan, ngunit kapag kasama ka na, ako'y natutulala. Wala na akong magagawa, walang magagawa, kaya mananaginip ka lang, mananaginip naman, kapiling ka. Naginip kita kahit na ako'y dinedegmaan. Ay ko na kayang napigil pa ng aking nadarama sa'yo. Oh, mahal ko, ikaw ang panaginip ko, papanaginip 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 ko. Panaginip ko, papanaginip ko, papanaginip ko, papanaginip ko, papanaginip ko, papanaginip ko.
Ang sarap namang maligyan. Here, right?
Oh, no, si Madam Baby.
We're going to Sally with Panaginip on this channel 75.
Thank you very much, friend.
That was really nice. Not the
Yeah.
But you said. We're trying to honor because we sing 2 more songs for you guys. And for the
Reply
meantime,
that.
let's cut you back to Market.
Pero sa
Here, this is one of the 75.
Andito na tayo.
Wish 1075.
You have what it takes to be a Ghostbusters. Check Kingdom proudly brings the Ghostbusters Adventure live. Experience the spooky, scary, slimy pumpkin adventure. Don't miss this chance to experience unique
No
stories,
rigs,
their
no
events,
fancy
and will surely give truly fun to your friends or family. You can call, and where you can go. Ghostbusters Adventure live in Enchanted Kingdom. Open
Yan mo to. Michael Pamela. Yung pamangkin ni Miss Mai. Yan yung tatay ng anak.
And you still got here, DJ Faye, on the road show, and I'm still here with a very talented slash amazing guy. But today I'm going to shout at you.
Thanks, DJ Play. You're really amazing.
Oh, thank you, thank you. So we are fans. A lot of us are really waiting to hear your next song, so we're not going to get ready any longer, right? So give it up for Charlie Fortes, great song on the road show.
Last na ba? Ito na. Favorite natin yung one song.
Years and my life is still trying to get out of that great big hill of hope. Oh, destination. Realized quickly when I should that this world was made up of this brotherhood of mine. Whatever that means. So I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I feel a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside. I take a deep breath, I get real high. And I scream on the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, what's going on? And I said, hey, said, hey, what's going on? Oh, my. And I tried. Oh my God, I try every single time in this institution, and I pray. Oh my God, I pray every single time. A revolution, and I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. So I woke in the morning and I step outside. I take a deep breath, I get real high. And I'm from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, said, hey, what's going on? Na, 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 na. Baby, no, no. Said, hey, I said, hey, I said, hey, what's going on?
What's up, you guys? Nakakahinga pa ba kayo? So, Mateo, this thing is always here.
I was afraid to do it.
Why?
Because
Really?
Kailangan makaalis na tayo after. Nagkatagal. Tayo 5 kaya.
Ay, sasakay po. Sakot lang nila.
Stick niya na lang.
Once it's time to drink again, so if you're not from Mateo, this is shouting at Papa de Manila on this one.
After nito, sasakay na siya dyan. Lilipat na ng standby.
sarap ng quick mo.
Lahat to, bili ka na lang supot
Check,
ba?
check, check. 1, 2.
Pasupot mo.
Check, check. 1, 2. Hello? Everybody, right? Check, 1, 2. Check. Check, 1, 2. Check. How's it going?
Stress naman si Lord.
Check, 1, 2.
Stress
Check.
si Lord. Diyan.
Okay.
Labasan.
Check.
Nagamit na ang lahat. Akin na rin lahat na ikablay. Sulat na rin lahat sa love song. Pwede na rin igugan ang lahat. Bakit di nga maiba sa mukhang paulit-ulit na parang di naniniwala sa mga taong puro salita. Nakita ko sa iyong mukha, kasawang-sawa ka na sa pamukong na. Kaya ang gagawin na lang, ipapadama na lang sa'yo ang laging nadarama para sa iyo. Ipapadama na lang sa'yo. Wala nang sasabihin pero sana ay maramdaman ko. Alam ko noon ika'y naloko. Hindi mo din lahat seryoso. Di kami pare-pareho. Sana naman ay magbagong isip mo. Bakit di nga maiba sa mukhang paulit-ulit na parang di naniniwala sa mga taong puro salita. Nakita ko sa iyong mukha, nasawang-sawa ka na sa pambubuo na.
Maganda ka na dyan. Pilinip yung camera. Pilinip yung camera.
Ang aking nagdama para sa iyo, ipapadama na lang sa'yo. Wala nang sasabihin pero sana ay maramdaman mo. Bakit di na maiba kasi mukhang paulit-ulit na parang di naniniwala sa mga taong puro salita. Nakita ko sa iyong mukha, kasawang-sawa ka na sa pambubuo lang. Kaya ang gagawin na lang, ipapadama na lang sa'yo ang aking nadarama para sa iyo. Papadama na lang sa'yo. Wala nang sasabihin pero sana ay maramdaman mo. Sana ay maramdaman mo. Sana ay maramdaman mo.
I came here to tell you, Papa Damanalang, thank you for making us feel your passion for music. Naramdaman niyo ba yan?
Oo naman. Thank you. Thanks very much.
Yes, wishers, if I again, yes, on November 18 is happening in Cebu at the Waterfront Hotel Casino. November 18, you guys can get tickets at ticketworld.com.ph. At all Ticket World. Hope to see you guys there. It's some good times. We're about to follow some vibes.
Any social media here on Facebook?
Yes, I have an official Facebook page, official McLean Jelly. Twitter and Instagram McLean.
Both for your music video.
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
But before I let you go, I have one last question.
Yes.
So, what is your ultimate wish?
My ultimate wish? You can wish again.
Oh, that will happen again. Of course. So much,
Thank
and
you.
good luck to you.
Thank you.
Again, decided wish list, right?
Thank you very much.
Alright, and for the meantime, let's get you back to one of your favorites. What is your wish? Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Okay. So, bye-bye. Facebook Live. Say bye, everybody. Wishers. Wish. Hey, guys. Okay na ba here? Bye.